Let's move on to the question number 9. Question number 9. Find the equation of the locus of point P such that the distance of P from the origin is nothing but 0, 0, is twice the distance of P from A. So here what are the given points? So the given points are origin O 0, 0 and point A 1, 2. Let P of x, y be a point on the locus, and the given condition is distance of P from the origin, which means origin to P is twice, means two times of distance of P from A, which means P and A. So this is the given condition. Okay, so now OP is nothing but distance between O and P, and P is nothing but distance between P and A. So now better to do squaring on both sides, which means OP square is equals to 4PS square. So OP square is nothing but distance between O and P. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equals to 4 times of x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. So from this side you will get x square plus y square, and 4 times of a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab plus y square plus 4 minus 4y. And here x square plus y square is equals to 4x square plus 4y square minus 2 4s are 8 minus 8x minus 4y into 4, it's 16y, and 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 4s are 20, so plus 20. So finally x square, if x square comes on this side, then 4x square minus x square is 3x square, and minus y square, 4y square is plus 4y square. Sorry, sorry, 4x square. Okay, 4x square minus x square is 3x square, and 4y square minus y square is 3y square, and minus 8x, we can keep all these terms like that only. 20 is equals to 0. So we can't able to take anything common here. So this is the final equation. Therefore, the locus of P x comma y is 3x square plus 3y square minus 8x minus 16y plus 20 is equals to 0. So this is the final thing. So don't forget to take the condition like this, because for this particular condition you will get till, if you write till here, then you will get 1 mark. If you solve this, then you will get 2 marks, and for the final equation you will get 1 mark. So here you need to remember that twice the distance, which means what it was saying, from which point to, and from is, after is you need to take consider as one condition, like one statement. So is twice the distance from P from A, which means simple PA. So that's it. So you need to remember it's better to take squaring on both sides instead of taking this root. It will give some confusion. So just take squaring on both sides, and square and root becomes cancel, and you can proceed with the steps. Next question. Yeah, question number 10. Find the equation of the locus of P if A is 4, 0 and B is minus 4, 0, and modulus of PA minus PB is equals to 4. I think this type of problems already we have done with the difference term. So PA minus PB. Sorry, let me yeah. See here. So given points you can write A comma A is 4, 0 and B is minus 4, 0, and let P is the point on the locus, point on the locus, and The given condition, they have already given the condition. So the given condition is modulus of PA minus PB is equals to 4. You can try this. I will just explain what you need to do. So you can try this problem. So here PA minus PB is equals to plus or minus 4. And here you need to take PA itself here and plus or minus 4 plus PB. Now perform squaring on both sides. So then it becomes PA square is equals to plus or minus 4 plus PB whole square, which is equals to 16 plus or minus 8 PB plus PB whole square. So take this PB on this side, then it becomes PA square minus PB square is equals to 16 plus or minus 8 PB. So solve this by taking the distance between P and A and distance between P and B, and if anything is getting cancelled then do that. And again you will get some equation, and again take this 15 on this 16 on this side, which is equals to plus or minus 8 PB, and then again you need to perform squaring on both sides to get PB square. So then solve this equation, then finally you will get the locus equation as 3x square minus y square is equals to 12. So which means 3x square by 12 minus y square by 12 is equals to 1. 3/4 12, which means x square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equals to 1. Therefore, the locus of px comma y is, and you need to write this equation. That's it. Very simple problem. The next question. Next question number 11. Find the locus of the third vertex of right angle triangle, the angles of whose hypotenuse are 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. I already told this type of problem. See, if this is the locus of P and it was making a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse or one of the point is hypotenuse point is 4 comma 0 and other one is 0 comma 4. So this is right angle, and call it as A, and this called as B, and this is PA. So the condition is PA square plus PB square is equals to hypotenuse square, which means AB square. So take the points and assume Px comma y, and condition is as PA square plus PB square is equals to AB square. So take the distance between P and A, which means x minus x2 whole square plus y minus y2 whole square plus PB with B point. This one is A and this one is B. X minus x2 whole square plus y minus y2 whole square is equals to AB square, means this one 4 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x square plus 16 minus 2 4s are 8x plus y square plus x square plus y square plus 16 minus 8y is equals to 16 plus 16. So 16 16, and from this 16 16 gets cancelled. So finally x square plus x square 2x square, y square plus y square plus 2y square minus 8x minus 8y is equals to 0. You can take 2 as common. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y is equals to 0. So ignore this 2, and x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y is equals to 0. So therefore, the locus of px comma y is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y is equals to 0. And this is also one of the important problem. All are important only, so don't forget. Number 12. Find the equation of the locus of a point the sum of whose distances from 0 comma 2 and 0 comma minus 2 is 6 units, which means the sum means whose, for example, this is the locus of point P, whose distances from 0, assume this as 0.0 comma 2, and this one is 0 comma minus 2. So the sum of distances from 0 comma 2 and 0 comma minus 2 is 6 units. So which means PA and PB, which means the condition here is, I'm just telling the condition here, you can solve this. So the condition is PA plus PB is equals to 6, because instead of sum we are not taking any modulus, because we are taking addition only. Okay, so just take PA is equals to 6 minus PB and perform squaring on both sides. You can get PA square is equals to 6 minus PB whole square. So solve this. We have already did 2-3 problems on the same thing. So both are same only. For addition and subtraction we are having the same procedure. We need to do 2 times of squaring on both sides. So you can just try this to practice better. Okay. Okay. Next problem. Now the question number 13, find the equation of locus of point P. The distance of P from A is twice the distance of P from B. So very simple, given points A 3 comma 0 and B is minus 3 comma 0. We have already did right twice on the keyword of twice. So next let P of x comma y be a point on locus. So the given condition is point distance of P from A, which means PA is twice, which means twice the distance from P to B. So means PB. So just take squaring on both sides. So then it becomes PA square is equals to 4 times of PV square. So PA square is nothing but distance between P and A. So x minus x2 whole square plus y square, because here we are having 0 only, so y minus 0 whole square is y square, is equals to 4 times of pb square. So x2 minus of minus plus y square plus y square. Okay, so x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square is equals to 4 times of x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square. So here x is just I'm taking, okay, let's x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square minus 4x square minus 4y square minus 24x minus 36 is equals to 0. And x terms x square and minus 4x square is minus 3x square, and y square plus y square and minus 4y square is minus 3y square, and next x terms minus 6x and minus 24x is minus 30x, and now y terms are not there and just constants, so 9 and minus 36 is plus 27, sorry, minus, in higher number we are having minus, right? So minus 26, 30x minus 27 is equals to 0. So here I'm taking minus as common, so minus 3 as common, so x square plus y square plus 10x plus 9 is equals to 0. So ignore this 3 and Final equation is this one, x square plus y square plus 10x plus 9 is equals to 9. So therefore, I'm writing here. So therefore, the locus of p of x comma y is x square plus y square plus 10x plus 9 is equals to 0. Very simple questions to gain 4 marks. Um, be thorough with the locus chapter. Next question. Question number 14. Find the equation of the locus of a point P such that P square plus PB square is equals to 2C square, where A is the point of A comma 0 and B is minus A comma 0 and 0 less than A less than C. This is not that much important, only a single star question. If you practice this, then you can able to answer any type of question. So here let's see. So the given points are just A comma 0 in B is minus A comma 0, and let P of x comma y be a point on locus. So the given condition, what is the given condition here? The given condition is, they have already mentioned the condition, is PA square plus PB square is equals to 2 so small c square. So here P is nothing but distance between P and A. So x minus A whole square plus y square plus PB means x plus A whole square plus y square is equals to 2c square. And now x minus a whole square is nothing but x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square plus a plus b whole square. X square plus a square plus 2ax plus y square is equals to 2c square. So here plus minus 2ax and plus 2x gets cancelled. X square plus x square is 2x square plus a square into a square is 2a square, and y square plus y square is plus 2y square, yeah, is equals to 2c square. So from this equation we can able to take common as 2 x square plus y square plus a square is equals to 2c square. 2 gets cancelled on both sides. So finally x square plus y square plus a square minus c square is equals to 0. Therefore the locus of Therefore, the locus of P x comma y is x square plus y square plus a square minus c square is equals to 0. And the next question. Yeah, final question number 15. The distance from P to the points 2 comma 3 and 2 comma minus 3 or in the ratio of 2 is to 3, then find the equation of the locus of P. And here these are the given points and this is the given condition. What is the given condition here? PA is to PB is in the ratio of 2 is to 3. So the distances are in the ratio of 2 is to 3. So PA by PB is equals to 2 by 3. So 3 PA is equals to 2 PB. So take squaring on both sides, then it becomes 9 PA square is equals to 4 PB square. So take distance between P and A and distance between P and B. You will get the locus equation. Okay. That's it. So that's it for today's session, guys, on locus 4 marks important questions in max 1b. I hope this video helped you understand the concepts clearly and boost your exam preparation. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Like, share and subscribe to intermediate studies for more exam focused content. So drop a comment below if you have any doubts or want videos on specific topics. Thanks for watching and all the best for your exams. See you in the next video. Bye bye.